Hello guys. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best baby bath visors in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Lil Rinser by Splash Guard. Lil Rinser by Splash Guard is a specialized design focused on preventing water from getting on your little one's face. It is made so that it can be used to aid the rinsing of shampoo off the hair of kids while completely keeping water off their faces. A must on any list of baby care tips items if you're looking for inexpensive but sturdy products. Buyers especially love the fact that the product can keep water off the face of their kids. For some, bath time was a struggle simply because their child hated having water splash over their face. This product solved that problem for them. Number 2. Our second best pick is Kair Bath Visor for babies, safe silicone shower cap. The Kair Bath Visor keeps water out of your child's eyes and ears. The air cushion seal keeps it secure against your child's forehead while keeping them comfortable. It can be used for both babies and toddlers, growing with your little one to make sure bath time is comfortable for as long as they need. The shower visor is BPA-free and made of a non-toxic silicone rubber that doesn't put any harmful chemicals up against your child's skin. The visor comes in 2 different colors, blue and purple. Number 3. Our third best pick is Bonpi Papi Baby Shower Shampoo Cap. The Bonpi Papi Bab Shampoo Cap comes as a 2-piece set, which is fabulous if you have more than one child in your household who needs to keep the water out of their faces. The baby shower and shampoo cap is fully adjustable and designed for children from 6 months to 6 years old. The 4 different positions can adjust comfortably and securely to your child's head size. The material is EVA foam and is entirely durable and non-toxic. It has a bit of stretch incorporated into the material to fit securely, and the material is heat-resistant up to 80 degrees. The design will keep water and soap out of your little one's eyes, all while allowing them to play happily in the bath. It can be rinsed off easily with water and can double as a tool for tear-free hair cutting too. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Baby Shower Cap Baby Bath Visor. This shower cap by Rayco Unlimited comes in multiple colors for your little one. They are sure to pick the one that makes them thrilled to take a shower. Generally, this product is best for babies 6 months and up. The cap is entirely adjustable so that you can find the perfect fit for your little one's head. The ear flaps keep your child's ears shielded from any water or soap suds, thus eliminating any temper tantrums or flat-out refusals to take a bath or a shower. The cap is made of PP and TPE silicone that are soft, safe, and durable. But the cap's durability does not sacrifice its lightweight nature and its ease of use. The adjustable straps ensure that the cap will not slip during use and will not let any water onto your child's face, thus reducing any fears they may have about getting into the water and taking a shower. The cap is also non-toxic and eco-friendly. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Kongwell Silicone Shower Cap Bathing Cap. The Kongwell Silicone Shower Cap is made of an EVA foam that can be used for children, the elderly, and pregnant women. The bright color of the cap will bring fun to shower time, while the material will be soft and comfortable while being delightfully durable. The visor can easily be cleaned with a bit of soap and water since the foam will not absorb water on its own. It is designed to keep water from going into your child's mouth, ears, eyes, and nose. The design will also help prevent ear infections and other water-based phobias. It also doubles as the perfect piece to use while cutting hair, as it will keep loose strands from touching your child's face and ears. The cap can also be adjusted to fit numerous head sizes. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.